So, yogis, have you ever heard that our right method, if you can activate your right, then you can really increase your physical stamina? So, please stay tuned. This is a very interesting topic. You will know your own passages that how to activate your physical strength, your physical building, as you can activate your right muscle. So if you're a serious yogi, if you're a practitioner, you are on the way to activate your energies, this video is for you. But please watch it fully. And now we'll come back and what is the right muscle? In Sanskrit, it's called Pingala. So it's very interesting if you can remember the names. The left is Ida, right is Pingala. And you can also say left is moon, right is sun. So feminine and masculine, these two energies are available in our body, in our system. But we don't allow our wisdom, our intellectual property to recognize that what is left, what is right. We just breathe and we breathe shortly. I can tell you if you go for a survey, you go around, you'll find very few people, they are awake about their breathing pattern. And why I'm so concerned about breathing, that everything is in breathing. All the cosmic powers, if you can know how to breathe properly, we have that connection with those powers and we can utilize them. And what happens in yoga? All those cities. So those cities, they have those powers. They are not magical power. They exist in cosmic energies. We start to awake them. So again, to be back on the topic, Pingala Nadi is the right nasal in our system. So what we do, you will see in a day, especially you will find when you are doing some physical workout, suddenly your right nasal will be more active than the left. Means nature automatically switches, even though you have that work that you can activate that side. And if you go in yogic history, the yogis were capable of activating their specific side. So what I'm saying with Pingala, Pingala is the right nasal. So whenever you are doing something physical, you need your power. What you can do, you can activate your right nasal. Now, how to activate Pingala? First way is with pranayama. Pranayama is very effective. Nadis Shodhana or ANULOM VILOM. Even though there is a specific pranayama, for example, I want to activate my right nasal. What will I do? I will close the left. I will inhale with right and I will exhale with left. Then again I will activate my right. Then I will exhale with the left. The third pattern this time I will activate with the right nasal. I will exhale with the left. So this is the way like you can activate right, and it will bring a lot of joy. You would feel that power, that what is the power of your own breathing, you never recognize. Now the second word, I will show you really if you want to activate that you need to do something physical workout, and I would also bring a very nice topic. It's very interesting. When you are eating, do you know which side you eat? And in yoga, in Ayurveda, we say never eat the food until your Pingala Nadi is not active. You should know that even for eating, we need the physical part, we need the fire inside of us. So we need to activate the right nasal. So what the second term I will show you, you can activate actually with your hand. There are other tools, but with your own arm, your hand, you can use it. What you do, you are targeting the right nasal. What you do, go on the alternate side. I have my previous video about Ida. The same thing I showed. In that we were about to activate the left, so we place the hand on the right. On the other side, this time our target is right. What will we do? We will put our hand under the left armpit. And armpits, a lot of veins, a lot of energy is passing from there. So our nadis are there. It's like a nest. So many nadis are there. A lot of energy passes from there, and we don't know this. Sound is that armpit has a role performed. So what we do, we put the hand there, and within few minutes you will change. You will find the pattern and how to check. You always check which side is smooth which side is heavy. So as your right nasal will be active, means you are hitting your left hemisphere of the brain, and from there you are able to activate your physical energy. As your physical component is active, of course your brain would start to react, and you are getting more power with your own breath. So this was the working of Pingala Nadi. What is Pingala and how to activate Pingala? Hope you enjoyed the video. If you one like is required. Please don't forget to press that like button. Please put your comments, ask questions if you have any queries, and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel.